Got a little woodpecker in action here, tearing up this tree. His buddy was just here with him, and he took off. Oh, there he goes.
Next tree down.
Next tree down, huh? He's coming. They love the birch here, it looks like. They're going to town.
They're so cool.
I know. I can't believe we're getting this footage.
I know, they are very skittish normally. I can't believe we're just getting footage of them right now.
I'm zoomed as close as I can zoom.
Look at them. It's so cool.
Oh yeah, they're busy little bees.
Busy little woodpeckers.
What do you think? They're eating ants?
Yeah, probably.
All right.
All right.
We're going to carry on here.